Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable the Windows Mobility Center on your Windows 10 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu, type in Group Policy, Best Match should come back with Edit Group Policy. Go ahead and open this up. Underneath Computer Configuration, double click on the Administrative Templates folder. Do the same thing for Windows Components. And then finally locate Windows Mobility Center. Just left click on it one time. On the right side there should be something that says Turn off Windows Mobility Center. Go ahead and double click on that. And then set this to enabled if you want to turn this off. Select Apply and OK. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and close out of here. Restart your computer, and that's about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.